A words, page 2. Use these when you are asking permission, would like to do something, or have to do something. Take something from part 1, such as an bhfuil cead agam, something from part 2, na cópleabhar, something from part 3, a bhailú, put them together. An bhfuil cead agam, na cópleabhar, a bhailú. Ba mhaith liom ceist a fhreagairt. Ba mhaith liom ceist a fhreagairt. Something from part 1. Tá orm na éadaí a athrú. Tá orm na éadaí a athrú. Pronunciations. An bhfuil cead agam, ba mhaith liom, tá orm, or you can say caithfidh mé, tá mig iarraidh. Na cópleabhar ceist na éadaí millseán na dallóige doras an obair bhaile rounders pell isteach ríomhaireadh leithreas scéal malón fanta páidear rud éigean leabhar ealaíon. And then your part 3 words: a bhailú, a fhreagairt, a athrú, a cheannach, a hairint, a oscailt, a chosú, a imirt, a úsáid. A bheith, a fheiceáil, a rá, a chluisteáil, a ithe, a óil, a thuairt, a fháil, a dhéanamh. Notice how most of these have a H after the A, but not if it's a vowel like a ithe or a óil. There are 2 exceptions here. When using the word dul, we say ba mhaith liom dul go dtí an leithreas. When using teacht, ba mhaith liom teacht isteach. But for everything else, the sentence structure is the same, and you need to notice something from part 1, something from part 2, something from part 3. You need to be able to put them together in a sentence that makes sense, while remembering that dul and teacht are exceptions. Éist is also an exception. We say ba mhaith liom éisteach leis an radio. I would like to listen to the radio.